Welcome back, friends. This is a review of HMT Pilot Grey Dial watch. Watch comes in this typical HMT cardboard box. The usual HMT invoice, warranty card. As you can see, I got this watch in 2020. Of course, because of the lockdowns and other stuff, not been able to wear this watch a lot. Even though HMT calls this as a grey dial watch, mm, as you can see, um, the dial has a tinge of green as well. Um, let's wipe it a bit. And this is my watch check for the day. I'm wearing HMT Classic Black Pilot. Coming back to the watch. Now, as you can see, I like the way the colors play out on this dial. Mostly pale colors, but accentuated with that bright red second sand. Again, watch has that dome crystal. Of course, it lacks any kind of anti-reflective coating. Makes it harder to capture the details. Again, sides of the watch have brushed finish. And has shiny front and rear finishing. Now let's take a look at the measurements. It measures 38 with the crown, and the watch case itself, it's not exactly 36, it's 35.5 and the lug width of 18 and then the lug to lug length, I think it's 43. Yeah. And the case thickness, I think it should be somewhere around 10 Yeah. Now, in comparison with the HMT Black Pilot, both have pretty much the same case. Now, this is how it looks on my wrist. It's a handsome watch. And again, now you can see the watch on the black leather NATO. Um, I usually leave it on the leather NATO. Somehow I like NATO straps better than the regular leather straps. It kind of gives that character to that watch. Again, on my wrist with the leather NATO. Hope you like this video. Uh, Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.